Hi guys, welcome to Watch Out Crypto. I am Alan Chang. Let's get started. In today's episode, we'll cover what to do in a narrow trading range and non-stop drop, what investors in the market think about cryptocurrency, and what to watch out for the new Terra blockchain and cryptocurrency tax in Portugal. The Chief Strategy Officer of JP Morgan, Nicolaus Panayotoglou, still thinks cryptocurrency will go up, even though the European Central Bank warns the risk of cryptocurrency is rising. But Nicolaus pointed out that the volatility of Bitcoin has came down comparing to gold. He stated that Bitcoin's fair value will be around 38,000, implying that digital currency has an obvious upspace. Compared to the current price, there's a potential 27% growth. Another positive trend is that the capital investment from the venture capital did not decrease. The investment in cryptocurrency this year landed at $25 billion US. Close to $4 billion are new invested after the Terra crash. I agree with the upspace for Bitcoin and the positive point of view. But according to the economic issue and Fed increasing the interest rate, it's gonna take some time to recover from the wound. The proposal of the Terra New Chain has officially passed and will launch on May 27th. Hash, the crypto company in Korea, has the largest voting weight up to 3.6%, but they chose not to vote. The voting weight went over 80% and over 80% agrees on the proposal. So what should we know about the new Terra? Here's what you should know about the Terra 2.0. The token Terra 2.0 will be named LUNC, L-U-N-C, instead of Luna. There are 4 situations you can get the new Luna, which are the Luna holders before and after the government attack, and UST holders before and after the attack. It's just a matter of portion. Before the government attack will be before May 7th, and after it's gonna be May 27th. The Genius blockchain will be able to get 30% of the new tokens. The remaining will be distributed over 2 years period with a peak at 6 months. Seems like most people are feeling positive about this. Instead of the Korean government still can't take its eyes off Terra. Or is it just most people don't really have a better choice? Just think about at least it's a chance to revive. I personally think whatever Do Kwon has done already destroyed his reputation. For current Luna and UST holders, congratulations, you got a second chance. But I won't recommend any new players to join the game at the very beginning. Portugal Parliament rejects a proposal to tax Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The proposal had asked the government to consider taxing crypto profit in excess of 5,000 euros. So for now, Portugal can keep the title of the cryptocurrency tax heaven. Cryptocurrency have been tax exempt since the year 2018. Also, trading cryptocurrencies are not considered investment income in the European nation. Great news for crypto holders, right? But here's the question we have to think about. How long do you think this will last? Before we get to the market movement and market trend, let's talk about economy first. As I always say, we need to focus on the whole economic cycle while trading, because the market is based on the economy. Note that cryptocurrency don't go their own way. If there's money involved, it's all bonded with economy. First of all, according to the meeting minute of Fed, they plan to increase the interest rate by 50 bits during the meeting for June and July. The plan is to suppress the inflation. Why will increasing the interest rate be able to suppress the inflation? Because increasing the interest rate will make it harder to get loans, which will suppress the hot money from speculators in the market. And as an easier way to explain this is the money for the market will be taken a lot. What do you think will happen to the price in the current market? So it will be really hard for us to escape from a bearish trend right now. Keep in mind, bear trend does not equal to bad timing. Think positively. It's creating more opportunities for us. Ask yourself, Is it easier for you to make the decision to buy Bitcoin at 40,000 or right now? Now let's take a look at the market movement. This is the weekly candlestick chart of Bitcoin. According to Red Capital, Bitcoin will drop to the support zone at 22,500. I think it might happen if Fed really decided to increase the interest rate. Then the whole market will have to go through another tragedy. Based on technical analysis, we still have to see how the candlesticks form this week. Remember the Gang 7 theory? If it forms as a solid red candlestick, the market might go down fast. But if it forms as a Koji candlestick or a hanging man, it might slightly go up. Next, this is a daily candlestick chart of Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin is going through a consolidation. This is normal because of the uncertainties in the market. There is currently no significant volume. Also, the lines for EMA and DMI are both expanding. What are EMA and DMI? EMA and DMI are both movement oscillators, which shows it will still need time for the market to digest. So the market might keep consolidating for a while until some breaking news comes, such as Fed confirming the increase of interest rate. Finally, this is the hourly candlestick chart for Ethereum. As we can see, Ethereum broke the support zone, which might cause it to dip a bit lower. Of course, it will be a good chance to short it and then lock in the gains at the below support zone around 1860. If the direction went wrong, stop loss at a 1940 pressure zone, which is a 3-to-1 payout ratio, which is quite nice. But if it's too short term for you, long-term trader can always just buy in when it comes to the 1860 support zone, since RSI and DMI are both at the bottom. Overall, there is a lot of positive news for cryptocurrency, but this can still not fight our current economic situation. Even though the fear and greed index is at the low point, for short term, the market will still remain quite bearish. But for long-term investors, this is a great opportunity to build up your portfolio, because we don't get this kind of drop down all the time. Thank you for watching Watch Out Crypto. I am Alan Chang. I'll see you next time.